Hi everyone, my name is Shanti and I am experienced as Indonesian teacher for about 4 years now. And my mission is to make you able to express yourself independently and also to speak the way locals do. The method that I use is very simple. Listen, imitate, repeat, makes mistake, correction, repeat again. So it's very simple. You remember as a child when you first learn your first language? So that's the way how it's going to be. This method works wonderfully for almost all of my students in the previous years. And the materials that I will be using focus on conversation based, which can be applied in daily life situations. Now, don't take my word for it. What are you waiting for? Book your lessons with me and start speaking like a local. I'll see you there. Bye.